Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how I made this slow cooker brown sugar lemon garlic chicken thighs. This is such an easy, delicious meal. I served with mashed potatoes and broccoli and it came out absolutely delicious. Let's get started. We're using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs for this recipe, and I'm going to season the chicken with this rosemary garlic seasoning mix. You can season the chicken with your favorite seasoning mix. Make sure you season the chicken very well on both sides. Once the chicken has been seasoned, we're going to sear them. Drizzle some olive oil into a pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil gets very hot, add the seasoned chicken thighs, skin side down. Cook the chicken for 3 minutes on the skin side, then turn them over and cook them for another 3 minutes on the other side. We want the chicken to develop a golden brown charred look on both sides because that's going to add so much flavor when it's slow cooking. Once the meat has seared on both sides, take them out of the pan and transfer them into your slow cooker. Next, we're going to melt some butter in the pan. As soon as the butter has melted, add some minced garlic, then saute the garlic for about 30 seconds, then add some chicken broth. Next, we're going to add the zest of a whole lemon, and we're also going to squeeze in the lemon juice. Add some stone ground mustard. You can use Dijon mustard. Mix everything together and let the sauce cook for about 30 seconds. Transfer the sauce onto the chicken in the slow cooker. Evenly spread the sauce all over the chicken thighs. Then we're going to sprinkle some brown sugar all over the chicken. Place the lid over the slow cooker, then slow cook the chicken for 4 hours on high. When the chicken has finished slow cooking, we're going to thicken the sauce, so transfer the chicken onto a separate plate, then drain the sauce into a pan over medium heat. Mix some cornstarch with water and add to the sauce. Whisk everything together and let the sauce simmer for a few seconds to thicken. Pour the sauce back onto the chicken and we are all done. This brown sugar garlic lemon slow cooker chicken thighs came out so flavorful and delicious. I served with some roasted broccoli and mashed potatoes. It was very delicious. The chicken came out full of the bone, tender and very flavorful. The sauce is such a great combination of sweet, sour and savory. If you guys would like to try this lemon garlic slow cooker chicken thighs, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.